morning, straight up, 6 o'clock. And by the way, thank you so much for starting here to get your day started. I'm Robin Meade. In the news today, stopping millions in their tracks, and Bob has more. And we'll show you via that map why it is that blizzard warning has been lifted for NYC anyway.
It's because the winds are coming down. Good morning to you, Robin. That's good for New York, but Long Island.
That didn't work. So Jen has more on, So misery loves company. What's going on?
Everybody's trapped in for an hour. They went down this morning from it's funny when you put it in words. Yeah, Felicia on Instagram said, been running.
You know, I have to say that it is refreshing in a way to look at these stories where we just kind of laugh at ourselves as humans, right? As we are also trying to safely get through the blizzard. One of those stories along those lines is about another thing that was trending, and it was about, getting a cuddle buddy for the blizzard. And I have that story later on. All right, you got to see this tape that shows a pilot ditching his plane. And
that was
awesome. That's like their own Matthew Morrison.
Yeah, that was
his name
awesome.
From Glee.
Is that, yes. Yeah.
So, was it a project, or did the teacher just want to star in the video?
That's what we're going to do. We're going to make me a star.
That's a great song, too. All right. Bob, good morning. Now back to the top story.
Back to reality.
If that's a live picture of New York, that's improved. I think one of our reporters doing a live report there last night, and I swear I could hear music.
In Seaside Heights?
I'm like, come on.
Hey, we're always fist pumping down the shore, man. I'll tell you, this doesn't matter what time of year,
Maybe
what kind of weather
we got. The NFL's apparently taking our talk. And I think, too, isn't Sam Smith nominated for a Grammy? And then Tom Petty has a lot of Grammys.
Right.
I wonder, is he nominated for a Grammy for that song? I'm thinking maybe. Isn't that interesting?
That's the one? Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Which leads to a whole lot more questions. What if he wins?
Exactly.
Okay.
12%. 12%.
He may help police find the man. You ever feel like, I am being watched? I always fear that somebody's watching me. Well, you may be onto something. Jen says the feds have a huge database on where you've been driving. What?
Yeah, not just for the paranoid anymore. This is criminals.
All right, Jen, thank you. Did you end? It is the top of the hour on a day when many folks may be sitting inside and watching the television instead of going outside because the police told them they're not allowed to. I'm Robin Meade. Morning Sunshine. This is what's going on.